When it comes to protecting our coastal cities from the growing threat of floods, the old ways may no longer be enough. For decades, concrete seawalls, levees, and floodgates were the go-to defense against rising tides and storm surges. But as climate change accelerates, bringing higher seas and more powerful storms, engineers around the world are turning to something radically new, a smarter, more adaptive way of building flood defenses, one that doesn't just block nature but works with it. This new approach is rewriting the rules of urban coastal protection. Instead of relying solely on cold, hard infrastructure, what engineers call grey defenses, like seawalls and dikes, cities are now embracing green infrastructure, living defenses built from wetlands, mangroves, dunes, and oyster reefs. And in the most forward thinking projects, they're combining both in what's called hybrid infrastructure. It's the best of both worlds, rock solid strength where it's needed, and nature's adaptability where it matters most. What makes this so revolutionary is how it transforms flood defense into something alive, something intelligent. Take Staten Island for example, just off its coast, engineers have constructed the living breakwaters, massive rock structures designed to slow storm waves, but with a twist. They are also built to foster oyster reefs, creating marine habitat, cleaning the water, and growing stronger over time. It's not just a wall, it's an ecosystem. Meanwhile, in Guyana, over 400,000 mangrove seedlings have been planted along the shoreline, creating a natural storm buffer that can absorb wave energy, trap sediment, and even capture carbon from the atmosphere. These green defenses don't just sit there, they evolve, they expand, and they regenerate without bulldozers or trucks. But the innovation doesn't stop at blending nature and engineering. It goes deeper into the very core of how cities manage water in real time. In Florida, engineers have installed floodgates equipped with radar sensors on both sides. When a storm hits, these systems automatically read water levels and adjust the gates without human input, balancing ocean tides and inland canal levels to prevent flooding before it happens. It's like giving cities reflexes, turning passive barriers into intelligent guardians. What's even more unique is how these new systems are designed to fail gracefully. Traditional seawalls, if overtopped, can lead to catastrophic failure, but living systems like marshes or dunes respond slowly, they absorb damage, degrade gradually, and recover naturally. That's resilience in action. Projects like Medmary in the UK show what this future could look like. There, instead of reinforcing old sea defenses, engineers did something bold. They breached the walls on purpose, allowing the sea to reclaim a section of farmland and form a new salt marsh. The result is a natural buffer that protects the nearby town far more effectively and at a fraction of the long term cost. No concrete trucks needed, just tides and time. This philosophy marks a complete shift in how we think about climate adaptation. It's not just about resisting nature, it's about collaborating with it. And it's not just about surviving the next storm, it's about building landscapes that are stronger, greener, and more livable for the generations to come. What truly makes this movement unique is its versatility. These flood defense systems aren't one size fits all. They are tailored to each coastline, each city, each community, and they bring benefits beyond protection, like recreation, cleaner air and water, wildlife habitat, and even economic opportunity. As seas rise and climate risks escalate, the future of our coastal cities may depend on these innovations. Hybrid defenses, living shorelines, sensor driven floodgates, these aren't distant ideas, they are happening right now, quietly transforming the way we defend our homes, our neighborhoods, and our future. And if you found this story fascinating, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more insights into the technologies shaping tomorrow, and share this video with someone who cares about our planet's future, because resilience starts with awareness and the next breakthrough might just begin with you.